Hi, I'm Jake from HP to XP, and I'm here to show you how to set up your Discord server so that you can play with your friends online right now. Okay, first thing you're going to want to do is go down here to add server, click that button, create your own for you and your friends, and then you just name it, whatever you want to name it, upload a picture, boom. And then you come up with this Blake server. And to save time, we're going to go over here and show you the server that's already been set up. So first thing I do is I have the welcome room set up right here. Boom, create a channel, text channel. And I named it. I put in my general rules for when I invite people to the server. Hey, check out this stuff. Character creation. I always put information in here, such as the DnD Beyond campaign link that they need in order to set up a character. And then we go from there. And then special options, for instance, playing Curse of Strahd. Always add little snippets on that and then what they roll for their money. Characters for this created a group patron, so that's what that is. Video help, I always post videos here in case anybody needs help setting up. I have a map channel where I just paste all the maps that they need. RP, this is for their emotes and stuff like that. Dice rolling channel, we'll get back to that in the Beyond20 dice. Treasure and XP, that's where I put all the stuff that they gather. Quest log, you know, it's for that. And then I put NPCs in there, and they always have individuals making sure that they keep the quest log updated so that they know what they're doing. Voice channels, these are super important. So you go over here and you click voice channel, and then you can configure them in such a way. So you'll notice I have a whispers channel and in character out of character channel. You only really need two. Whispers channel I think is super important because you can change the amount of users allowed in it. Sometimes I put 2 or 3. And that's really just to be able to pull one of your players from this channel, like this, over here. And then you pull the other guy in and you talk to him where the rest of the party can't hear, which is super great for Curse of Strahd because when the vampire kidnaps people and talks to them, then nobody else knows what they said. And then I always have an Apollo bot right here. And the Apollo bot allows me to make sure that everyone is going to make it to the session, or if not, then I can ask them a question. And then general info in D&D, I always have something like this so that we have general information. I don't really change what stores have if it's just a normal store. And then for new players, I always have this information available. And I'll put links to all these images below. And then Sirenscape, because this is kind of difficult to set up, but once you get it going, it's pretty good. Okay, for installing Beyond20, you just come here to their website and install for Chrome or Firefox. Once you've done that and you've invited the bot to your server, you come over here and then you're going to put in Beyond20 secret, and it's going to send you a key, and then you're going to copy that key, preferably into this channel, and then put it under pinned messages for your dice rolling channel. And that way your players have easy access to it so that when they set up their channel to link to your Discord server, that it's super easy. And I'll show you how that works. And right here, once you have that secret code and you've pasted it into your channel, players can come over here under more options and then scroll all the way down. And they're going to select this for select the VTT tab or game to send rules to, and it's going to go to whatever you want really, but right here for this purpose is Discord. Default channel, select this guy, add new channel. You're going to name it real quick, doesn't matter what it is. Click OK. Put in the secret value, the secret code right here, and then click OK. And then after that, you need to make sure that they go back here and they select the actual channel that they're going to be rolling in. You notice how I have 90 of them? That's because I've set up a bunch of Discord servers. Okay, and then you save, and then you click OK. And then now, when you want to send some sort of javelin attack, for instance, like that, or roll initiative, or athletics check, or cast a spell, such as that, this will all go back to your Discord server. For using Google Draw, which is free and easy, all you need to do is really drag images onto these new Google Draw sheets. So we have here the new one, and then over here we have from Lost Mines of Phandelver. So right here, you drag the battle map on, you send it, you right-click it, you send it to the back, order, boom, send it back. And then you can just drag and drop the tokens. And then as they tell you where they need to be going, you can either accomplish this sharing screen in Discord, or you can window snip. So Windows Shift S, and that'll bring that up into either the square or the free draw tool, and you can sort of limit what the field of view for the party is, or whatever you want to show them, essentially. And then whenever you cut and snip or whatever, you just go over to your Discord server and you can paste that. If you like what we're doing over here, you can hit us with a follow on twitch.tv/hbxp, or you can subscribe down below to get more content like this. Thanks!